Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you some amazing Windows 11 shortcuts that you probably did not know about before. So after knowing these Windows 11 shortcuts, you will say, "Oh my God, why did not I know these Windows 11 shortcuts earlier?" So let's see amazing Windows 11 shortcuts to make your life easier in your daily work, guys. So first, you will see Windows plus comma. So guys, it's like similar to Windows plus D, which already everyone aware about that. So because if you do Windows plus D, what happens? It brings you up to the desktop and press it again Windows plus D. What happens? And it hides the desktop and you back where you were. So a similar related Windows shortcut is Windows plus comma. Notice some interesting things happen with Windows plus comma. So once you press the Windows plus comma, you get a peek at the desktop, as you can see. Now, as long as you are holding the Windows key, the desktop is going to be shown. And this shortcut is great when you are in office and suddenly your boss came in and you don't know them to see what you are working on. So once you let go of the Windows key, it switches back to your application where you So this is very, very interesting and amazing shortcut, which I like most. Guys. Isn't it right? So please let me know in the comment what you feel. Now the second one which I wanted to show you guys, second one is Windows plus V shortcut. So Windows plus V, you see your last copied items. You also see all the items before that. Moreover, you can copy up to 25 items here. So you can also pin for the frequent items which you want to do the pin. Let's example, you want to do this item to want to do pin, then you can go and you can do the pin item. And also guys, it's very interesting with this one. Also guys, if you select some GIF and GIF, then you can just select, then it will appear in a document. So let's say example what I wanted to try to tell you. Let's say example, I want this GIF, I mean the GIF to here. Then how can I do that? Let's say example, let me select some interesting GIF. So let me this that I want to select this one. And here you go. Directly it will appear to your document. So this is also very interesting shortcut. Windows shortcut key. I mean the Windows plus key. So now guys, let's see the next Windows shortcuts. Next was Windows plus. So if you do the Windows plus, let me do it. What happen? It will magnify will you open. And if you want to zoom, you can just do the Windows plus, it zoom in, zoom. And if you want to zoom out, then you can do the Windows plus minus. And also guys, very interesting. So let magnify read your text. So whatever, let's example, I want to read this text. Whatever I have written here, you can see that. So let's magnify read your text.
3 Windows plus plus.
So let me jump to the next. So here is that Control plus K. So with Control plus K, here you just notice that here no need to browser and type some site name. So let me just try to open Amazon. Sorry, I want to open this Amazon. So directly it will open with Control plus K. So no need to directly come to that browser. You can type it here. You can just come to the browser. You can do the Control plus K, and it will just type it over here. The next Windows shortcut is Control plus Shift plus T. So with using this Control plus Shift plus T, let me first try from my side. Control plus Shift plus T. It will show you accidentally deleted browser can open. Control Shift T. Yeah. So last time what I have deleted, it will open. So okay. That's it, guys, for today. I hope these Windows shortcuts make your life easier. So if you know other Windows shortcuts, use them a lot. I would love to know. So please feel free to comment on the video. So thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you.